Hello, in this video I'm going to share with you a move called the off-body pass. This is a very simple movement that gives you a bit of an opportunity to experience full body coordination, but also you're passing that center line of your body, which creates communication between both hemispheres of your brain. Initially it might seem really tricky, but as you take some time with it and going slower can definitely help to master this movement. So what we're going to do is we're going to start by pressing the hoop right onto our tummy. And here we're going to continue to press it around to the back, where we're going to reconnect with our free hand. And taking note, my hands are palms facing myself, or you can think of it as putting it into your back pocket. So with that, we'll release with our other hand and continue to press it around to the front. So it's going one direction all the way around. This is really helping you to focus on keeping your hands palms facing yourself. I'm going to be really particular about this because if it faces away, you actually get this weird, awkward chicken arm that occurs. So really focusing on your hands, palms facing you. As you get used to that, you can begin to relax your shoulders, bringing the hoop away from your body and having it come to more hip level as opposed to waist level. So that nice low movement, letting the hoop go around. To help with the hoop staying nice and even, you can focus on the far side of the hoop, which is naturally pulling away from you as you spin it around. With this movement, we can want to practice it both directions. If it helps, you can restart the same way, palms facing you, bringing it around to the back and around to the front, and then loosening it up, letting it come away from your body a little, and passing it around. You'll notice as my hoop goes around, I keep my elbows in a nice soft bend. This allows my hands to come close together. If your elbows are straight, it can be really hard to make that connection. So nice soft elbows give you the most control over your movement and just making it more comfortable for your body. As an added little challenge for this, what you can do is passing it underneath your legs as it comes around. You'll note that I simply just lift my knee towards my chest, and this allows plenty of room for the hoop to come underneath my leg. It is at a bit of a slant, so I don't have to worry about having it be the full height of my hoop to let it pass underneath. So just having that nice little tilt gives me lots of opportunity for the hoop to pass underneath. And of course, practicing everything one way and the other direction. Very good. With this move, there's lots of opportunity for transitions, so you can go into, say, the revolving door simply by changing the tilt of your hoop. So right now it's in horizontal, but if I just tilt my hoop upright, I can come out of it and continue the movement like nothing happened. Awesome. Well done. If you have any questions, by all means, leave a comment below. If you enjoyed this video, do give it a thumbs up. And I look forward to sharing more of the awesomeness of the hoop with you. Happy hooping!